Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to edit text in Canva. This is canva.com website, and instead of creating a new design, I have an existing design with some text. Let's open it. This is it. Now to edit text in Canva is simple. First, just select or double click the text using your mouse. You can rewrite it like that. And if you want to edit the size of the text, just use this plus and minus icons like that. You can also make another easier way to make the text bigger inside Canva is by using this ball in this corner, just like that. To edit the font or the style of the text in Canva, just select the text and go to font and select your preferred font from this list. Let's try this Horizon font. This is Fredoka. This is a Telegraph style. To edit the color of text in Canva, just select the part of the text that you want to edit the color for. Go to text color or this A icon and select you can change the text color just like that. Let's pick the red color. To make a part of your text bold, just select it like that and click on this B for bold. To make a text underlined, same thing, I think. Yes, click on this U for underline. I think there is a shortcut on your keyboard. Yes, Command U for underline on MacBooks and Control U on PCs. To edit the alignment of your text, just use this alignment shortcut, just like that. Let's make it centered. Just keep clicking on this alignment tool. To edit the spacing of your text. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free and also these other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. To edit the spacing of your text, select your text first as always and go to spacing, and you can edit the spacing between letters or the spacing between lines. Let's make these 2 lines. Now let's edit the line spacing. As you can see, the spacing between lines can be bigger or smaller. And this is how to edit text in Canva. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.